Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Kakin hun jingalang menteri ke Sorkar MDA kelas shimya karai ban mynjur ya kyndon thymmai amendment jang Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. Banang penbun ya kajingla shimram jang Sorkar sa san person. Ukonrat kisang maha kajing yakran syakilat pathai kubor yakanikaan lapan kala thymmai balale ikani namar ke Sorkar India kala sya ikijela bapher bakin penkiu ya kajing shimram kabla pensyong nongrim katkum kijing penjanai hakrukam trekam reforms bala shim dati jela bamanla usnem. Ha usnem bala dep menteri rangba ubenram ke Sorkar lingba ketenat puli puthi kala shim ya kalat dan penjanai ha kajing trekam bala shim da ke Sorkar jela. Hakitanat bapher kelasya ingi bandang kentiu ya kejing shimram hadu saw persen bat minta usnem ru. Namar kini kejing penkela ngila ban shimram sa san persen. Namar kata lahap ban penkela ikani ke angling baka ordinance bala mynjur ha ke kabinet. Manla usnem kaditang lai persen rei kelasya lai persen ban penkiu sya ke san persen. Bat sa san persen ke basyong katkum kejing penjanai jong ke Sorkar jela ha kerukam trekam. Minta usnem ngilaya trelang bat ke Sorkar pedeng bat halor kejing penkela bangila shim. Lasya ya ke jela bakan shimram sakumba san persen ula benram.
We had a cabinet meeting today and there were 4 important decisions that were taken by the cabinet. The first decision was to amend the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. As you are aware that even last year this particular act was amended, and this is done because obviously Government of India has allowed different state governments to increase the budget borrowing based on reforms that are taken by specific states on an annual basis. Even last year, the reforms that were taken place by the state government in different departments allowed us to increase our budget borrowing limits up to 4%. And this year again, based on the power reforms that we are taking, there will be 0.5% increase in the budget borrowing that is allowed, and that annually it has to be amended. So the particular act and through an ordinance is being amended today.